All right, I received a fairly large package today. I know what it is, but I figured I would make an unboxing video, maybe not tell you guys what it is until I take it out. In a nutshell, I don't know how much this person wants me to divulge to my community, but I have a subscriber who requested that I send her some signed Rubik's Cubes, and she said she could repay me with whatever, and I just said, like, I sent her a link to a type of Rubik's Cube that I think would be good for, like, doing cheap but large, very, very large multi-blinds, and I was like, oh yeah, just get me, like, a few of these to replace the ones I send you, and she got me a lot more than a few, so let's see. If you don't know, that's a Yuxin Little Magic. So like a $3 Rubik's Cube. If you were to ask me what is the best Rubik's Cube for doing multi-blind on a budget, like you can't get all of your main 3-blind main for multi-blind, I would say Yuxin Little Magic is the way to go for sure. Yeah, they just need to be set up. But oh, fun fact, before this package even showed up, she already sent me 24 Yuxin Little Magics, and this is 65 more. I had 114 3x3s before she requested I send her 3 signed ones. So now, minus those 3 plus 89, I now have 200 3x3 Rubik's Cubes. So I'm probably just gonna speed this up. Four by 4 times 4 plus 1, 65. I guess I will commence with unboxing. Cube 1. Ooh, this one feels a little better than the last one. Looser. Whoa, way looser. Just how I like it. Let's put these over here. Flatten it. That is 65 Rubik's Cubes. Man, that took a while. It's gonna be fun to set all these up. I'm gonna have to also remove all of the logos. So now I have 89 Yuxin Little Magics to set up. I guess I'll do like a minimal setup per cube. It'll probably take like I'm not gonna clean them out. I think each setup I'll do for each one will be like a few minutes at the most. That'll still take so long. Wow, yeah, anyways, yeah, I will let the extremely generous gifter of cubes identify herself in the comments section if she likes, if she wants to, and if she does that, I'll pin the comment or something. But yeah, look forward to a 150 cube multi-blind, and probably also a 200 cube multi-blind, but that'll have to happen after my next comp. Man, that's awesome. I can now do 150 cube multi-blind with only Yuxin Little Magics and GTS ones. That's pretty crazy. Well, all right. That's it for this unboxing. See you around.